Hello, welcome back. Thanks for all the comments and questions. And remember to subscribe if you want to keep getting these videos. This is a fun little algebra equation. If you want, try this on your own. You can hit the pause button and then we will do it together. All right, I hope you tried it on your own. The way I did this is I just set
X equals rabbit.
And Y equals the cat. Z equals the dog.
Look at it, the rabbit and cat have together 10 kilograms, which would mean X plus Y equals 10. And then the rabbit and dog are 20 kilograms, so that would be X plus Z equals 20. And then the dog and cat weigh 24 kilograms, so that would be Y plus Z equals 24. Okay, so now we have three equations and we have three unknowns. If you look at that top equation, we have X plus Y equals 10. We can figure out what X equals and we can figure out what Y equals if we simplify those bottom two. We have X plus Z equals 20. If we subtract Z to each side, we get X equals 20 minus Z. And then the other one, we have Y plus Z equals 24. If we subtract Z there, we get Y equals 24 minus Z. So we have an X equals and a Y equals, and then we just plug that into the top equation. We had X plus Y, but we could substitute 20 minus Z for X, plus, and we could substitute 24 minus Z for Y, and all of that equals 10. Okay, and then we just add it up. We have 20 plus 24, that's 44, and then minus, we have 2Z, so minus 2Z equals 10. And then we subtract 44 to each side. Then we have negative 2Z equals, let's see, 10 minus 44 is negative 34. We divide negative 2 to each side, and then we would get Z equals 17. And once we have Z equals 17, we could do the same thing we did last time. We just substitute it in. So we go back to Y plus Z equals 24. We could have Y plus 17 equals 24, and then that would get us the Y equals 7. Once we have Y equals 7, we punch that into X plus Y equals 10. We punch into 7, we get X plus 7 equals 10, so X equals 3. So we have X equals 3, Y equals 7, and Z equals 17. So the rabbit weighs 3 kilograms, the cat weighs 7 kilograms, and the dog weighs 17 kilograms. Call the question was how much do they weigh together? You would just add all of that up, and it would be 3 plus 7 is 10, and then 10 plus 17 is 27. And there you go. I'll keep making these videos, so hit subscribe if you want to see future ones.